Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Ubersuggest. So to get started, Ubersuggest is a budget-friendly SEO tools created by Neil Patel that help users find keywords, track ranking, analyze competitors, and improve website traffic. It's simple to use, make it great for beginners, bloggers, and small businesses. You can enter a keyword or a domain and get helpful data list like a search value, SEO difficulties, content ideas, and a backlink information, all in one clean dashboard. In 2025, Ubersuggest continues to be one of the top low-cost SEO tools available. While it doesn't match the depth of tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush, it covers all the basic and offer a strong value, especially with its lifetime deals option. It's perfect for users who want a solid SEO insight without the high price tag or complex features, making it a smart pick for those just getting started with search engines optimization. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform and how you think it can help you automate your traffic. And that's it.